Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Roasting. This is a fantastic hands-off method. Spread your marinated cauliflower in a single layer on a large baking sheet. Roasting at a high temperature, around 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius, for 20 to 30 minutes, flipping halfway, develops beautiful browning and tender interiors. It is great for cooking larger batches. Sautéing. For smaller batches, or if you prefer a stovetop approach, sautéing in a large pan over medium-high heat works well. You will need to stir frequently to ensure even cooking and browning. This method gives you precise control over the crispiness. Air frying. If speed and maximum crunch are your priorities, the air fryer is your best friend. Arrange a single layer of cauliflower in the air fryer basket. Cook at about 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, for 15 to 20 minutes, shaking the basket periodically. Air frying yields exceptionally crispy results with less oil. No matter which method you choose, avoid overcrowding your cooking vessel. This allows air to circulate, promoting proper browning and preventing steaming. You want crispy, not soggy, cauliflower. Assembling your cauliflower shawarma masterpiece. Now that your cauliflower is perfectly cooked and fragrant with spices, it is time for the exciting part, building your shawarma. Think of this as your canvas. Each ingredient you add contributes to the overall flavor and texture, turning your seasoned cauliflower into a complete and satisfying meal. Traditional and modern serving vessels, wraps versus bowls. How you serve your cauliflower shawarma can change the eating experience. Do you prefer the classic, handheld approach or a more modern, deconstructed style? Both offer unique benefits. If you like the traditional way, consider using warm pita bread. Soft and slightly chewy, pita is a staple that perfectly cradles the fillings. Loaf bread. This thin, large flatbread is flexible and excellent for wrapping generously, similar to a burrito. For a contemporary twist and a lighter meal, serving your shawarma in a bowl is ideal. These often feature a base to soak up all the delicious flavors. Try using grains. Consider fluffy couscous, nutty quinoa, or tender bulgur wheat. They add substance and a pleasant chew. Greens. A bed of crisp romaine lettuce, mixed greens, or a vibrant spinach base can keep things fresh and light. Creamy sauces and fresh toppings, the essential accents. No shawarma is complete without its supporting cast of sauces and fresh toppings. These components add crucial moisture, tang, crunch, and brightness, balancing the rich spices of the cauliflower. They are truly what make each bite a balanced burst of flavor. Here are the must-have additions. Tahini sauce. This creamy, nutty sauce is made from ground sesame seeds. It provides a rich, earthy flavor and a smooth texture that coats every ingredient. Garlic yogurt sauce, toom-inspired. A tangy, garlicky yogurt sauce adds a cool, refreshing contrast. It cuts through the richness and brightens the overall profile. Pickled turnips. Their vibrant pink color and sharp, vinegary crunch offer a unique tang that is essential for authentic shawarma flavor. Fresh herbs. A generous sprinkle of chopped fresh parsley or mint adds a burst of freshness and aromatic lift. Diced tomatoes. Sweet and juicy, diced tomatoes bring a hint of acidity and a soft texture. Diced cucumbers. Crisp and cool, cucumbers offer a refreshing crunch and help balance stronger flavors. Each topping plays a role in creating a harmonious blend of tastes and textures. Do not skip them. Pairing your cauliflower shawarma. To make your cauliflower shawarma a full and memorable meal, consider pairing it with complementary side dishes. These additions enhance the experience without overshadowing your main dish. Some great options to complete your feast include hummus. Creamy, savory hummus is a classic pairing. Its smooth texture and chickpea flavor work well with the spiced cauliflower. Baba ganoush. This smoky eggplant dip offers a different flavor profile that complements the shawarma beautifully. Fattoush salad. A bright, zesty salad with toasted pita pieces, fresh vegetables, and a sumac dressing provides a refreshing contrast. Lentil soup. A warm bowl of hearty lentil soup adds a comforting, earthy element. Beyond the wrap, creative cauliflower shawarma dishes. While a classic wrap is always delicious, cauliflower shawarma is incredibly versatile. We can easily take its amazing flavors and use them in all sorts of new and exciting ways. This flexibility lets you get creative in the kitchen, turning familiar meals into something special with that distinct shawarma seasoning. Global fusion, shawarma tacos, pizzas, and more. Why limit ourselves to just a wrap? Cauliflower shawarma's robust flavor profile blends wonderfully with many different cuisines. Imagine the possibilities when you combine the best of Middle Eastern spices with other popular dishes from around the world. It is fun to experiment and see how these flavors work together. Here are some innovative ways to use your cauliflower shawarma. Shawarma tacos. Fill warm corn tortillas with your crispy cauliflower, a dollop of tahini sauce, fresh shredded cabbage, and a sprinkle of cilantro. This creates a delicious Middle Eastern Mexican fusion. Shawarma pizza. Spread a thin layer of hummus on a pizza crust. Top it with cooked cauliflower shawarma, thinly sliced red onion, and crumbled feta cheese. Bake until hot and bubbly, then finish with fresh parsley. Stuffed bell peppers. Halve bell peppers, any color works, and fill them with a mixture of cooked cauliflower shawarma, rice or quinoa, and a little tomato paste. Bake until the peppers are tender. Grain bowls. Build a hearty bowl with a base of fluffy couscous, quinoa, or brown rice. Add your cauliflower shawarma, roasted vegetables like zucchini or eggplant, and a generous drizzle of garlic yogurt sauce. Salad topping. Elevate a simple green salad by adding a generous portion of warm cauliflower shawarma. Use a lemon tahini vinaigrette to tie all the flavors together for a light yet satisfying meal. Meal prep and storage tips for leftovers. Making a batch of cauliflower shawarma is smart for meal prep. Having the components ready means quick, flavorful meals throughout the week. Proper storage helps keep everything fresh, so you can enjoy delicious food without extra effort. Keep these tips in mind for making ahead and storing. Prep components separately. Cook your cauliflower shawarma and let it cool completely. Store cooked cauliflower separately from fresh toppings like diced tomatoes, cucumbers, or sauces. This keeps textures crisp and flavors distinct. Airtight containers are key. Use airtight containers for all components. This prevents air exposure, which can dry out ingredients and reduce flavor. Refrigeration lifespan. Cooked cauliflower shawarma lasts well in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days. Sauces like tahini or garlic yogurt also store well for about the same amount of time. Fresh vegetables should be used within a few days. Freezing cooked cauliflower. If you make a large batch, you can freeze cooked cauliflower shawarma. Spread it in a single layer on a baking sheet to freeze individually, then transfer to a freezer-safe bag. It can be frozen for up to 2 months. Thaw in the refrigerator before reheating. Reheating for best texture. For the best results, reheat cooked cauliflower shawarma in a hot oven or air fryer. This helps restore its crispy texture. Microwaving may make it softer. Cauliflower shawarma proves how exciting plant-based cooking can be. It delivers all the rich, spiced flavors you expect from traditional shawarma, but in a versatile, vegetable-focused form. This dish is a true celebration of spices and thoughtful preparation. We encourage you to try making it yourself. Experiment with the spice levels, try different cooking methods, or get creative with how you serve it. Share your unique cauliflower shawarma creations and inspire others to discover this delicious approach to a classic. Now let's go step by step through the cooking process, from seasoning and roasting to assembling your shawarma wrap or platter for maximum flavor. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.